اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ میں خلیل احمد چوہان جناب آپ کی خدمت میں حاضر ہو رہا ہوں اور بابا جی کی دنیا سے، اور آج میں ایک نیا ولاگ بنانے جا رہا ہوں ان لوگوں کے لیے جو لوگ بالکل کھانا بنانا نہیں جانتے، جس میں جوان بوڑھے عورتیں مرد بچے سب شامل ہیں۔ وہ صرف اور صرف ان لوگوں کے لیے جنہیں بالکل کھانے پکانے کا پتہ نہیں ہے۔ جو پروفیشنل لوگ ہیں، جو لیڈیز ہیں، وہ دیکھیں ضرور، لیکن ان کے لیے یہ پروگرام نہیں ہے۔ یہ ان لوگوں کے لیے جو جوان آدمی جاتے ہیں، دوسرے ملکوں میں جاتے ہیں یا اپنے ملک میں ہوتے ہیں روزگار کے سلسلے میں، اور دوسری جگہ جہاں پہ انہیں کچھ پتہ نہیں ہوتا کہ کس طرح پکائیں، کس طرح زندگی گزاریں اپنے سروائیو کے لیے۔ میں ان لوگوں کو صرف یہی بتا رہا ہوں، دکھا رہا ہوں کہ کھانا کس طرح بنانا ہے، اور سمپل، اس میں کوئی اتنی بڑی سائنس اس میں نہیں ڈال رہا، صرف بیسک چیزیں ان لوگوں کو بتاؤں گا کہ جو بھی چیز بنائیں اور بیسک کس طرح بنتی ہیں۔ ٹھیک ہے جناب، تو یہ آج انشاءاللہ میں یہ چینل شروع کر رہا ہوں، اور مجھے امید ہے کہ آپ پہلے کی طرح مجھے سپورٹ کریں گے۔ اگر آپ لوگوں کو یہ میرا کھانا بنانا آج پسند آئے تو پلیز آپ لوگ سبسکرائب کریں، شیئر کریں، اور اس کے بعد لائک بھی کریں، ٹھیک ہے؟ اور مجھے آپ کی سپورٹ کی ضرورت ہے۔ تو اس وقت میں آپ کو یہ سبزی سے سٹارٹ کر رہا ہوں۔ یہ سبزی ٹنڈے ہیں، اس وقت وہ بہت اچھی ہے اور میری ویسے بھی فیوریٹ ہے، اور اس کے ساتھ آلو ہوگا۔ یہ بیسیکلی جو ہے یہ کری ویجیٹیبل کی ہوگی۔ اس کے ساتھ میں اپنے ان ویور کو بھی گڈ مارننگ اور گڈ آفٹرنون بھی کہہ رہا ہوں جو غیر ملکی ہیں، جو انگلش ہیں اور دوسرے یورپین ملکوں کے لوگ ہیں، کیونکہ میں ان کو بھی یہ اپنا دکھانا چاہتا ہوں، بتانا چاہتا ہوں، سکھانا چاہتا ہوں کہ وہ بھی ہماری یہ جو ہے نا دیسی کھانے بہت پسند کرتے ہیں۔ بلکہ ہمارے زیادہ تر جو ریسٹورینٹ ٹیک اوے ہیں وہ انہی لوگوں سے چل رہے ہیں، یورپ میں اور دوسرے ملکوں میں، اور وہ بہت لائک کرتے ہیں ہمارے ان کھانوں کو۔ دین آئی ایم سیئنگ ایوری ون لسننگ ٹو می، آئی ایم اسٹارٹنگ چینل فار یو کوکنگ چینل فار دیز پیپل وچ ون از کمپلیٹلی ڈونٹ نو ہاؤ ٹو کوک۔ آئی وانٹ ٹو شو یو بیسیکلی how can I cook and you can learn, and it's not difficult job, just you need willing. If you have a willing, you can do anything you want. And now after this speech I want to show you which ingredient I am be putting today, and this is today is in our language called that vegetables is tinde and potatoes. I are making today is curry of vegetables, tinde and potatoes curry. Okay, I show you which one. How can, basically I want to show you how can you start. I can put it some onion. I cut it and I show you. Like I needed 2 small onion, some tomatoes, some chilies, some garlic, coriander, plus is some spices like salt, like is red chilies and turmeric, yellow one, and some other spices. Basically we don't want to put it too much. All right, okay, then I show you later on when I put it in the pot. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I want to show you all ingredient and how can we peel it and clean and cut it. I just show you that people which one don't know completely. Okay, I start with the onion. I peel it before this one, and now I want to chop like this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very easy, simple, is no problem, like this. Yes, like this. another small onion. And now we are cutting tomatoes. Make small pieces like this. The 2 tomatoes enough for this curry. Now we have some green chili. Now we cut it in nice small pieces. And now is garlic. I peel it before cutting because I just try to save my time. And now put it up here, and now I make it already potato is green peel and now I cut it and put it on the side. And now this is vegetable we call is tinda. Nice, beautiful this vegetable. We like it. You can use this one like potatoes with tindas. You can put it on the meat curries. Anyone you can do it, no problem. But I show you later on some other vegetables with meats and some other things. But today only making is that vegetables curry. No, this one I want to peel this one like this from outside. Yes, it's not big job. If just try to willing, you can do. I'm just talking that people which one they don't know completely. I know a lot of expert people, but I just show you which people don't know anything. And I hope you learn nicely from me. Now it be nice, and I show you how big you need it to piece. similar like I used to other one. It's 4-piece like this. If this is big, you can make 6-piece. And someone already I peel it, saving the time. I want to let you know, actually I love it cooking. Sometimes if I want to enjoy myself, then I cook myself. And sometimes I giving treat my family. They like my cooking, especially my children. They love it. Anything I cook, they appreciate me. And first time I try to cooking for my nephews. They don't believe I can do it. But now you show. Now this process is be completed. And now I want to show you about part of cooking part. Yes, I put it on up here, and a little bit is putting on water before I added on any oil. With the gas is different, but this is I'm using on dry wood because I want to show you same time how people make a difficult time to cook because they don't have gas and electricity. We must rely everyone how poor people can survive. They have a lot of difficulties in his life. They don't have gas, electric, and more facilities. Now I'm lucky I have a table, I stand up and I am making. But many people, you know, in villages or third world countries, they are sitting down or they are making small things and with very difficult. Thanks to God, I got it everything I needed. I can make it this one inside the kitchen, but I prefer to make outside. I show you a little bit different. Take little bit time. You know, mainly this is procedures, and I make turn off camera for 4 or 5 minutes. I'm nearly try to make gravy, and I show you after 5 minutes. Okay. Bismillah. I'm putting on oil now. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, now is nearly paste is be ready. Onions, garlic, and tomatoes, and plus other things. All is be paste is ready. Now I put it on red chili. Yes, like this. It's 3 spoons. I want to put it a little dry is coriander. And I put it salt as well. You can do as you taste it. And some other different is spices. You know, is like curries and something like that one as well. I added it here. And some put methi in our language. I don't know what about in English, but I think you know is that one as well. I put it everything now, and now is nice, lovely smell. You know how difficult with the wooden fire, because this is my first experience about in wooden and outside cooking, and this method and inside the kitchen is a lot different. But because I want to show you how wealthy people can make it where is not gas and electricity, how they can feel difficulties. That's why I try to outside. You see, little bit is evening time now and light problems, and I show you like a reality how is people is be taking his problem when they cooking or doing anything without any facilities. Next cooking, definitely I want to do with the light time. But 2 days, first day, I try to make all setup and it be little bit difficulty about light. But never mind, we try to learn. Everyone try to learn different ways. And now, thank God, now is all pastes be ready, and I want to try to put it like vegetable. And I sort out my fire, how they are be going on. ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਤਨੇ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ की भी मैं मुखातब कर रहा कि तुसां भी काफ़ी हद तक थोड़ा बहुता देख लिया होती और मेरी प्रॉब्लम भी देख ली होती कि मैं चीज़ां फेस कर रहा देख रहे हैं। ठीक है जनाब, अपनी फरमाइश ने भी दस सकते हो सादा जड़ियाँ कोई बहुत डिफिकल्टी किस्म दियां नहीं। ठीक है, यह जनाब हूँ मैं वैजीटेबल दे ऐड कर रहा, नाल इसने पोटैटो भी मैं ऐड कर दिते हैं। I think everyone realize how difficult when you are on these circumstances you are making or cooking or doing anything. When is the light problem, when is the fuel problem. But still is millions of people facing every day same problem. And we get it everything. We must rely that needy people, they need our help, and we are duty bound to help them. many ways we can help them. Put it a little bit of water. They cook nicely. You just imagine, I don't know anything and I am doing, this is my first experience. If you are thinking I am a chef now, I'm not. If you are thinking I am completely experienced now. I do sometime for my family, but other way around, I know how can you cook, how can you make, and how can you serve. That's why I try to give you a chance to learn from me, because I learn same way to myself. Because it's not difficult. Maybe you make once, it's not so good. When you make second time, it's a little better. And third time, you are be satisfied yourself. That's why I try to give you a chance to learn, especially these people which one completely don't know. Everything is the basic idea, which one I show you first, and tomorrow or day after I show you nice properly. Today I have a little bit of light problem because it's my mistake. I start a bit late. Yes, but never mind. Life is a happen. Every day is be different happen, and same with us as well. But still, we are keep going, and we try to make it. And about taste-wise, no problem. It's nice taste and nice everything. Only problem I show you nicely, sadly, is not. But never mind, don't be hopeless. Next one will be better than this one. Life how difficult when you are on these circumstances, you are making or cooking or doing anything. When is a light problem, when is a fuel problem. Yes, friend, you can see when I do vegetable with them, I put it a little water and have a little high pressure fire. And now I want to put it on lead there, make a steam, and they are about 10 minutes. Everything is nice cooked. Then after I show you what is going on. And now I put it lead on there. And medium, very low heat now, they are cooking nicely. As friend, you see now, the curry is be ready now, ready to serve. And I close down everything now, and I show you and finish. Just try to eat now.